You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing words from Latin and science that many mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. This means common in Latin. In English it is often said as vulgaris, vulgaris, but if you want to make it sound more Latin, it is also correct and used to say vulgaris, vulgaris, or vulgaris. And now you know, more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of more Latin expressions and words from science and biology. Thanks for your support. Like this video if you found it useful, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.